Hi, I will show you how to export a 3D model from Fusion 360 and import it into EasyEDA, while retaining its color, on Windows. At the point of making this video, if you import the OBJ file generated by Fusion 360, the file will not show on EasyEDA. If you convert the OBJ file to WRL, you may find your 3D model all black or all white. Here is how the colors can be retained. I've created this multicolored switch in Fusion 360 as an example. First, go to File, then Export, change the file type to 3MF. Click Export and wait a while for the file to be processed. 3MF files contain both the shape and color information of 3D models. Open the Microsoft Store and download 3D Builder, also by Microsoft. In 3D Builder, click New Scene, and drag the 3MF file into the window. Go to Menu, and click Save As. Select OBJ as the file type and save. You will have to save a separate MTL file alongside. These files cannot be used yet and will still produce a monochromatic color model in EasyEDA. Download and install MeshLab from their website. Open MeshLab and drag the OBJ file into the window. Go to Filters, Color Creation and Processing, Transfer Color, Vertex to Face. File. Export Mesh as, select OBJ as the file format, give a different name and save. A new set of OBJ and MTL files should be saved. With the latest OBJ and MTL files, zip them up. In EasyEDA, File, New, 3D Model and add the zip file. Wait for the file to process, then click Save and close the window. Select the 3D model when editing a footprint. The 3D model should now be in color. The model may need to be scaled in position. Go ahead and save the footprint. Once the footprint is updated, the component on the PCB should be colored when viewing in 3D. That's it. Please like and subscribe.